Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put on silent or mute Samsung Galaxy S21, and the method is the same also for S21 Plus and Ultra. So let's do it. So if you want to do that, it is very easy. Just swipe the top bar and here we have the sound icon. If you press once on this, your phone will be on vibrate, and if you will press again, your phone will be on mute. Now let's swipe again and I will press where it's writing mute. And from here also you can enable the temporary mute, and your phone will be on silent for a period of time. Now is 1 hour, and if you want to change the period, just press on details and you can select from here 2 hours, 3 hours, and also you can custom the time period. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.